Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur face in CapCut PC. But before that, if you don't know what is CapCut, it is a free all-in-one video editing application in which it offers a user-friendly interface. So now to proceed, the first thing that we need to do is to simply import here the video that we want to edit or blur the face. So I'm going to click import here and simply choose the video on my computer files. And after that, it will show you in here the result, or all you need to do is simply drag in to your timeline. And after dragging it in here below, the next thing that we need to do is to simply add here or make the face of this subject blur. We have here the option to choose by clicking the effects button on the top panel, and on the left side panel, just simply choose here the blur face. But here, make sure to choose the body effects instead of video effects option, since by clicking the body effects, it will show you the blur face in here. So upon searching here on the search bar, it will show you in here the result. So all you need to do is to simply select here firstly, for example, this one. It will show you what it looks like, which is like this pixelated one, or face mosaic, in which it will also completely cover the face of the subject. You could also adjust here the duration of these effects. And that's the other way on how we can start adding or blurring the face of the subject in here in CapCut. The other one is simply copying first this entire video or Control C on your keyboard and simply Control V in here. Now as you can see that we already make a copy in here. The next thing that we need to do is to simply add here first the effects, which is the blur under the video effects in here. So just simply search on the search bar once again the blur effect, and upon searching on it, you should be able to see here a variety of result in here. So just simply choose here, which is this one. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is simply adjust here the effect depending on the duration of your video. And once done, you also need to select this both video, a copy, and also the effect. And simply right click on it and simply click create compound clip to make the effect applied only in the copy video. And once done, all you need to do is simply mask or click the mask button on the video settings on the right side panel and simply choose here or add a mask. And by choosing a mask, just click here or choose the circle one that we're going to apply in here. And you could also navigate here the sizes by simply dragging on the corner of it. And if you also want to make it looks natural, you could also adjust the feather option right here. Now as you can see, it is now currently applied the effect only on the face to make it blur. And if you're now done, to save the changes, just click the export button on the top right corner to save it. But overall, that is just basically how you can blur face in CapCut PC.